how to sell cryptos on Coinbase wallet. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell cryptos on Coinbase wallet. Now to begin with the procedure, first thing first, launch to your Coinbase wallet, or you can just simply open up your Coinbase application. Either way the procedure is going to remain the same, and from here you need to make sure, so before you start with the procedure, make sure that you've already linked your Coinbase as well as Coinbase wallet. So if you tap on Coinbase wallet, so from here you can directly launch to your Coinbase wallet as well. So either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So all you have to do is just go ahead and tap the sell icon located right on top. After that, select an asset that you wish to sell, so type in Bitcoin, and here after that you'll be able to see a list of assets that's available. So once you select Bitcoin, next it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to sell. And after you've done entering the amount as well, confirm all of your payment details and all sort of things. And then lastly, you'll have to review one more time, and you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully sold crypto on Coinbase wallet. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.